Children, today we will start a new chapter, that is money. It's a very simple chapter and very interesting chapter. Chapter name is money. Okay, and what is the meaning of money? In Hindi we call money as a rupees. Okay, money means rupees. In India, in our country, in India, we use money as a rupees and paisa. We use money as a rupees and paisa. Okay, rupees in the form of note and coin also, and paisa in the form of coins. I will show you few coins. Okay, I will show you few coins. This is 1 rupee coin. This one is 2 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. I don't have 50 paisa coin. And this is 10 rupees coin. This is 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupee coin. Okay. Now I will show you few notes. This is 10 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note, and this one is 100 rupees note. I don't have 20 rupees, and this one is 200 rupees note, and this one is 500 rupees note. Okay, so these are the notes, and these are the coins. Okay, rupees are in the form of note and coin in the form of paisa in the form of coin. Okay, we denote rupees like this. Wait, like this. Okay, in India we denote rupees like this and paisa like this. Okay, now whenever you will write rupees like 50 rupees, we put sign before the number. Whenever we will write rupees, we put this sign before the number, but in paisa we put P after the number. Rupees before the number, paisa after the number. Now come to your book. I will show you. Yes, one more thing. 1 rupees. Rupees 1 equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. Remember this thing. This is very important thing. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. Now switch to your book. Chapter money. Here it's written that rupees. Here you can see that these are the coins. Na, just I have showed you this one. These are the coins in your book also. These are the coins. Now it's written over here rupees 1. 1 rupees equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. Rupees 2 equal to how many paisa? 200 paisa. How? 2 into 100 paisa equal to 200 paisa. Okay, rupees 5 equal to how? 500 paisa. How? Because you all know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, so simply multiply 5 into 100 paisa means 500 paisa. Okay, so 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, 2 rupees equal to 200 paisa, 5 rupees 500 paisa, 20 rupees means 20 paisa, 10 rupees 1000 paisa. How? 10 into 100 paisa. So just write 10, then put 20. Here also 2 into 100 paisa. Just write 2, then put 20, because in 100 2 zeros are there. Okay, so in the same thing, 2 into 2, write 2 into 20. In 5 also similarly, 5 into rupees 5 equal to, just write 5, then put 20, 500 paisa. Okay, now write the value of the coins. Yes, Write the value of the coins in the boxes. How many rupees are there? 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. So, how many paisa? How many paisa? 3 into 100 paisa. So, just write 3, then put 20. 300 paisa. So, it's a 300 paisa. Similarly, this is 5 rupees. So, how many paisa? 500 means 500 paisa. Okay. Similarly, here how many rupees are there? 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3 rupees. How many paisa? 3 into 100, 300 means 300 paisa. Okay. Similarly, you will do all the sum in the page 126. Now, come to subtraction. Rupees 2 minus rupees 1, how many paisa? Rupees 2 minus rupees 1, how many paisa? 2 minus 1 equal to 1 and 1 in 1 rupee, how many paisa? 100 paisa. Come here. Rupees 2 minus rupees 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So, 0 paise. 2 minus 2, 0 means 0 paise. Okay. Now, come to notes. This is 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. Okay. 20 rupees. In words, you will write like this 20 rupees. But here in the number form, you have to put the rupees sign before the number. Rupees 20. 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. Then it's a 2000 rupees. Okay. Now, it's a matching. You will do this matching in the book. Rupees 5. Where is rupees 5? Here, rupees 5. This is rupees 1. This one is the rupees 1. Okay. Where is rupees 20? Where is rupees 20? 10 plus 10, 20. This is rupees 20. Okay. Fill in the blank. 5 paisa is written as, 50 paise is written as 50 paise. 75 paise is written as 75, and where you will put the paisa sign? After the number. Okay. Similarly, 60 rupees. 60 rupees. So, write 60, then write the sign of rupees where? Before the number, rupees 60. Okay. Similarly, these are the matching you will do by yourself. Now, come to page 131. It's a shopping. Here we will do shopping. So many things are there. This is what is sandwich. What is the cost of this sandwich? What is the price of this sandwich? Rupees 15. And this is a dosa. What is the price? Rupees 20. Juice, yummy, rupees 7. Biscuits, rupees 8. Popcorn, wow, rupees 12. Then ice cream, yummy, rupees 5. And apple, healthy food, rupees 10. Okay, so find the total price of the item in each case. This is biscuit, rupees 8. This is juice, rupees 7. What is the price of total? 8 plus 7, 15. Then put the rupees sign. Here, what is the price of an apple? Rupees 10. What is the price of this dosa? 20. Here also write 10 plus 20 means 30, and in the rupees sign how you will write? Rupees 30. Okay. You will do shopping portion like this only. Understood? This is the very interesting and simple chapter.